Hi all, it's Kara from the Transformation Mom for ABCDE, and I'm back with another December daily journal with me. So when we were last together, we had did the 25th, and we had did this. We used the simple waterfall page to do all the pictures for Christmas. And so I'll open it up real quick, and you can see all the pictures and how I just put them right in there, and then I got to write a lot in there, and I really enjoyed that time of reflection and to be able to see what I'm going to do. So I then went on and did the 26th. I had just put this little piece of paper there because when I had tried to finish this, this was still wet. So now I got to get this paper off, and of course it's just going to stick. I'll have to clean that up in a little bit. But we made cupcakes for Jesus, and of course on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, dinner didn't cook as quickly as we would have liked, so we ended up having Jesus's happy birthday cupcakes on the 26th. So those were the cupcakes that we made. They were chocolate peanut butter, and they were really yummy. And then here was one of my favorite gifts. My husband bought it for me, and it says, "This house runs on coffee and Jesus." And so this was absolutely one of my favorite gifts. It was just one of those things that was so us, but it was practical, and I'm kind of a more practical person. So today I thought we would try to use this door page for the 27th. And so it's going to go on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. And I have a couple picked photos because we went to my mother-in-law's that day to celebrate Christmas with our family, or at least some of our family. So we went there and we got to open gifts, and it was fun. So Elijah was just, his face here said it all. There was a huge truck in that package, and he was just so excited for the huge truck. And then this is Danielle, and she got binoculars, and she couldn't figure out how those darn things worked if her life depended on it. So she was constantly having them looking in the wrong end, and she was like, "Things look so small," and I'm like, "Yeah, because you're looking at them on the wrong side." The girls did get to spend a lot of time with their grandmothers, so that was nice. And then, it was a very nice family day. How about that? It was a very, very nice family day. So I just thought I would simply put the photos in here, just kind of helter-skelter. These were just little leftover pieces of paper. I don't even know what size they are. They were, it looks like 3 3/4 by 1 3/4. They were left over from another page. So I just thought I would simply put those in here. I'm just going to put them kind of right here in the middle, and I'll be able to write my feelings in here. And then we are just going to glue on our numbers. And I was trying to debate whether I want to put like the 27 kind of like on separate doors, and I think I am. So the nice thing about this layout is you could actually, if you had more pictures, you could add more pictures very easily to this layout. I didn't take a ton of pictures. I took enough pictures. So, and I want to say my mother-in-law isn't really the picture type, so I, just took what I could. So there is our layout for the 27th. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be back with another journal with me really quickly. Hope you guys have a great day.